High-end computers have become massively powerful thanks to Intel's new 8-core processor and NVIDIA's efficient yet quick GTX 980. These components make computers built even a year ago look slow by comparison. Yet most expensive PCs still suffer a basic flaw: noise. And lots of it. The recently reviewed XA0 destroyed our benchmark records but also threatened our eardrums with its howling fans. A loud computer can be tolerable in an office, where the noise blends into the background. But at home you'll hear every last decibel. The AVADirect Z97 Quiet Gaming, yes, that's its name, not just a description, is built to combat that. It offers an Intel Core i7-4790K, 16 GB of DDR3 RAM, and a GTX 980 video card. This combination, which is priced around $2,800, is not as extreme as the multi-GPU rigs we've recently looked at, but it should be easier to cool. The AVADirect Z97 Quiet Gaming is the least extravagant gaming desktop we've recently reviewed. It features no external LEDs aside from a backlit touchscreen used to control fan speed. There is no case window, and nothing found on the exterior indicates what's inside. Instead, the system is a sheer white case that looks built to withstand bullets instead of cool components. Though we hear it is not, in fact, bulletproof, so don't try that at home. The AVADirect Quiet Gaming is the least extravagant gaming desktop we've recently reviewed. This change in style is designed to better dampen fan noise and control airflow, but it helps the quiet gaming stand out from the crowd. Yes, this desktop is more reserved than most, but no one is going to mistake it for a Dell Inspiron. AVADirect's rig is a nice middle ground between extreme systems like Origin's Millennium and hopped-up home PCs like the Acer Predator series. We should note, though, that the enclosure is not custom but instead an unmodified NZXT-H630. Buyers who want a unique computer will need to look toward Alienware or Origin. The front right side of the case provides easy access to 4 USB ports. 2 of them 3.0, along with headphone and microphone jacks and the power button. Unlike some competitors, the Z97 Quiet Gaming does not provide a tray or shelf for placing a smartphone or peripherals. It also does not have a topside fan vent, so owners can place items on it or above it.